Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to rename a printer on Windows 11 using Control Panel. For this, first click on this one Start button and type here Control Panel. In the search results, click on this one Control Panel entry. Then set View by to category and then click on Hardware and Sound category. Then click Devices and Printers. Then click on Printers and Scanners. Then select your printer you want to rename. Then click on this one Printer Properties option. Then click on this one Change Properties button. Now change the name of printer according to your choice. Then click on this one OK button. This will rename your printer to see new name. Go back and you will see under printers and scanners your printer name has been changed in Windows 11 PC.